Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this is a quick pick up from Eastbay. This was actually a restock. When they originally released, they actually sold out quickly. So crack this open right here. And it's a receipt from Eastbay right there. And here they are. As you can see, it is a Air Jordan 13 Retro. You know, you got the silver box with the red Jumpman logo in the middle. Size 10, suggested retail is $190. Colorway is white hyper royal black. So basically, you can tell basically from the colorway. These are the hyper royal 13s right here. So lately, Jordan, you know, the recent releases have been selling out quickly. Because in the past, 13s would have sat in shelves. But lately, you know, Jordan brand has been cutting down on, I guess, their production and basically what they're releasing. So they are selling out now. They're not sitting on shelves. So again, these are the Hyper Royal 13s right here. And you got the black bottom. You got hits of the, you know, you have the carbon fiber right there. You got the white traction pods right there. You got the Jumpman. You got the hologram. You see, it still has the plastic on it, and you got this very nice, you know, blue like suede, and this blue does pop in hand. So you got the Jordan branding, and then you should have the 13 in Roman numerals in the back. You get the blue Jumpman, and you got this tumbled leather right there. You got the white sock liner, and you got the black insole with the blue Jumpman inside. You got white laces. Just here's the other pair right here. So basically, as far as the color blocking, it's basically the same thing as the Cherry 13s. This over here, I just don't mind a little bit dirty, but it's pretty much the same thing, other than, you know, the blue compared to the red right there. So just a quick look at the Hyper Blue 13s, Hyper Royal 13s. So here they are. If you have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.